going on, you guys? Justin here with an episode of PRP DIY. Super excited to cover the KMC Grenade beadlock wheels and the EFX tires on our Can-Am X3. It's going to transform the look of this car, and we're super stoked with the outcome. Let's dive in. We got a fresh gift of wheels from Wheel Pros. We're going to open them up and check out what we got. Look epic on the Can-Am project we're working on. So we got KMC wheels here, ready to party. Let's go. Here's my guess. That should be right there. There's some brushed gold nuts for it. So we get a little vision here. All right, then we got the cap and then the little screw nuts for the beadlock part. All right, we can go show Jason. Yep. Here you go.
I'm blind. Oh, is that your wheel?
Yeah.
Those are clean.
Get here, baby.
Hell yeah. Did it just show up or what?
Yeah.
I like the red insert. So you're gonna go red accent on the car, or?
No, the cap should cover it, is what Ryan was saying. The cap should cover this part, he said.
Okay.
And then the black is the outer trim, and then the gold nuts for it.
I like the offset on those too. That's nice.
Should be fun. But we wanted your reaction for YouTube. Thanks. I kind of felt like the guy that played. We were sure when you edit it, we play the part when he's out the window. You're the one that reminded me that I needed a fifth one, right?
Yeah, you're gonna need 5 wheels. Yeah.
Yeah, I just called him. He said, "You didn't tell me you need 5, dummy." When I called him just right now, he goes, I wasn't thinking, bro. I don't know. I wasn't thinking, but I need a fifth one. Alright guys, we're out here at America's Tire. We're going to go ahead and mount our KMC Wheels and EFX tires. This is the episode for PRP DIY where we're going to go ahead and really transform this stock Can-Am X3 and get it decked out with some 32-inch tires and new 15-inch KMC beadlocks. Thank you, Hoonigan and formerly Wheel Pros and KMC guys. Really appreciate it. Let's get going. Got some fresh paint. The hardware. Yeah, I know. Good choice, man. The Grenade beadlock wheel is going to come out really nice. All right, so while the team is going to go ahead and go finish it up, we're going to come back tomorrow, go and pick those things up and get them mounted. So shout out to America's Tire, KMC Wheels, and EFX, getting this thing dialed. Let's go. So a little fun fact is that I have never actually owned a jack in my entire life until this moment. So big ups to Chuck and Pro Eagle. I now own my first jack.
Apparently I'm supposed to hand this back to you.
Oh my god. Why do you have this? Not to worry about. The thing about Pro Eagle jacks is, even though I've never owned one, I know that these are like the off-road jack, period. Are an individual out there running anything different? Shame on
You don't need it for that. As long as you know. So, like a lot of your shop jacks get hung up on a zip tie. This will roll right over. Slide it in there, and this will tie it in place.
Love that. It's got like a little subtle twist.
Yep. This is so that way all the tabs line up. There you go.
Okay.
Go ahead and go underneath.
Brand new.
I would be more driver's side bias. Tire you're probably going to be working on, right?
Yep. We have a chrome socket on our impact. Please leave a comment on how stupid this is. Thanks, Joe.
Did they give you a socket with them? So that's a thin wall socket because there's very little room there, very little tolerance.
Yeah.
They gave you a good thin wall socket to be able to put them on.
So basically we have to not use our chrome one now.
Correct.
Use this one.
Correct.
So I notice how the Can-Am cap is still on there.
KMC say anything about taking that off?
I don't believe so. Because I think it'll be covered.
We'll do the other three in the amount of time it takes you to do this one.
That's what I'm saying. Well, just taking a first step back. Damn. A little Can-Am 64-inch, that could. Kind of a different, whoa, it is noticeably higher to get in. I will say that.
Eating your knees.
Huh?
You're still eating your knees.
Oh yeah, that's always gonna happen. Alright, so we've got the KMC Grenade beadlock wheels in 15x6, 38mm offset, and then we paired it up with 32-inch EFX Moto Rally tires. They're by 10s by 15s. So the stock DS cars come with 14-inch wheels and 30-inch tires. We went ahead and upped the game, but not too much. But it's a 32-inch tire, 15-inch wheel. That is a beadlock. Super stoked with the overall look of the car. I think the nuts, the bolts here, basically really match with what we're doing with the car. So we super love the setup. We liked it. It raised the car as well, just going from that smaller tire and that smaller wheel. So it really gives that aggressive look. Someone actually asked me if those were 33s, and I mean, I know they're close, but they're 32s. But it looks way more aggressive because of that increased height. So super stoked with the EFX tire and the KMC wheels on this setup. We're going to get really excited and really get to test these out once we upgrade to the suspension part. But overall, the wheel and tire transform the look of this car, makes it way more aggressive, and we can't wait to take it to that next level once we get the suspension on and really put these tires and wheels to the test. Really looking forward to it. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of PRP DIY. Let's get to it.